Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add timeline of your events or whatever in Site123. So let's just start. First, what you want to do is just click here on add new page. You want to write here timeline. You're gonna see it here that you can choose between these three, but they are really similar. So let's gonna choose like this one here. I like it most, and you can see like it's going really well, and this is really pretty. Now just click manage page here, and you can see it here that you can also add new item. And let's go with the title, Yoda, date, I don't know, 9, so description, hooray, hooray 2. And now you can have like custom color, and click here save and close, and let's see how it looks like. Hooray. And now, so what we can do here, so now let's click on manage the page and how we can edit it. Icons, so we can add icon, bell, nice. We can change the color here to something else, nice. Nice, nice, nice. And let's see how it looks like. Learn more, voila, here we got it. Really perfect. And yeah, this is how we can do it, and this is how we can add timeline for your site in Site123. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and guide you. And if you have any questions, just ask. Thank you, everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.